From Interior Alaska's most trusted news source, this is your morning news update with J.R. Lewis.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. It's Veterans Day, Tuesday, November 11th, 2014. In the news, a new mental health center in Fairbanks has opened up. AP reports the new drop-in facility opened Sunday at the J.P. Jones Center in South Fairbanks. The Northern Hope Center serves adults with behavioral issues. It stems from the Northern Door Clubhouse, which was formerly run out of the Fairbanks Community Behavioral Health Center, but changed its services partly because of the Behavioral Health Center's financial problems in the wake of its closure last year. The University of Alaska Fairbanks will lead a new project to enhance mining workforce training throughout the state. The project, funded by an $8.1 million federal grant, will include partners at several of the state's campuses. Many mining jobs are difficult to fill because there's nowhere in the state for people to train. The new certificate program will offer several options for education as well as a simulator for mill operator training. And today is a day for all Americans to stop and pay tribute to veterans of past and present conflicts. Over 75,000 veterans live in Alaska, more per capita than any other state. This morning at the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, a ceremony will take place at the Westmark Gold Room to honor the veterans. Organizers say the ceremony will be filled with memories, tears, and this year, a special program from a second grade class at Weller Elementary School. Quick look at the Fairbanks weather. Today, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy, highs in the 30s. Tonight, mostly cloudy with lows in the teens. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy, highs in the 30s. Extended forecast, continued mostly cloudy Thursday, then fewer clouds Friday through Monday. Highs should stay in the 30s through the week, dropping a little to the 20s for the weekend. The air index is moderate in Fairbanks and North Pole, and the aurora forecast is moderate. That's all we have for right now. I'm glad you could join us. The rest of the News Center team will be here tonight at 6 with the Fairbanks Evening News. From all of us here at News Center 11, I'm J.R. Lewis. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.